In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a project board in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and create a new project board. This board will become the main place where you organize your work, track progress, and keep your team aligned. When you create the board, think of it as the home for your entire project. So it's worth setting it up in a way that feels clear and easy to maintain from the beginning. Once the board is created, add groups for your project phases. Groups help break the project into major sections, such as planning, execution, review, or completion. Organizing the board this way makes it much easier to scan what stage each task belongs to, and it creates a cleaner structure as your project grows. Keeping phases separated also helps reduce confusion when multiple tasks are moving at the same time. Next, add your tasks as items within the appropriate groups. Each item represents a specific task, action, or deliverable that needs to be completed. Try to name each task clearly so that anyone viewing the board can understand what needs to be done without extra explanation. A well-named task makes updates faster and improves communication across the project. After that, add the columns you need to manage each task properly. Include a column for the owner so every task has a clear person responsible for it. Add a status column so you can quickly see whether work is not started, in progress, blocked, or complete. Include a timeline column to show when the task begins and ends, and a priority column to highlight what needs attention first. You should also add a files column so documents, references, or supporting materials can stay attached directly to the related task. These columns turn a simple task list into a practical project management system. Once your board structure is ready, start using the different views available in Monday.com. The timeline view is useful for seeing how tasks overlap across time. Gantt view gives you a more traditional project schedule and helps with dependency planning. Calendar view is great when deadlines are date-driven. And Kanban view is especially helpful if you prefer a visual workflow with tasks moving from one stage to another. Choose the view that best matches how you and your team like to work. Then add automations for reminders and updates. Automations save time by reducing manual follow-up and helping everyone stay informed. For example, reminders can help ensure deadlines are not missed, while status-based updates can keep the board current without constant manual checking. Finally, track project progress regularly. Review the board often, update task statuses, and make sure timelines stay accurate. Regular tracking helps you catch delays early, keep priorities clear, and make sure the project continues moving forward smoothly.